Namaskar. Today we have to study asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction. We have already discussed about the reproduction. What is reproduction and their types of reproduction. Here we have to study in detail about the asexual reproduction. In last class I have discussed on the reproduction, types of reproduction, asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Now here in detail we have to study the asexual reproduction. You know the definition of the asexual reproduction: formation of young one from parents with formation of young one from the parents without meiosis and without fertilization is known as asexual reproduction. लक्षात ठेवा, असेक्शुअल रिप्रोडक्शनची डेफिनेशन मी ऑलरेडी सांगितलेली आहे. पुन्हा एकदा रिवाइज करतोय. ज्या विद्यार्थ्यांना समजलेलं नाही आहे त्यांनी पुन्हा ते डेफिनेशन लक्षात घेतली पाहिजे. एका वाक्यातली डेफिनेशन तयार करायचं नाही. ऑल प्रोसेस शुड इन्क्लूड, ऑल टर्म्स include in that definitions related to the reproduction, related to the asexual reproduction. The young ones produced from the parents without meiosis and without fertilization is known as asexual reproduction. Here in the asexual reproduction there is no meiosis and no fertilization. So without fertilization and without meiosis, young ones produced, known as asexual reproduction. It means sexes are not involved in the asexual reproduction. Such type of information I have already given in the last class. अगोदरच मी सांगितलेलं आहे. मागच्या क्लासमध्ये याच्याबद्दल माहिती सांगितलेली आहे. रिप्रोडक्शन इंट्रोडक्शन मध्ये सांगितलेलं आहे मी तुम्हाला. आता आपल्याला त्याचे असेक्शुअल रिप्रोडक्शनचे टाइप्स पाहायचे. असेक्शुअल रिप्रोडक्शन म्हणजे काय आहे आणि असेक्शुअल रिप्रोडक्शन हे लिव्हिंग ऑर्गॅनिझम मध्ये कशा पद्धतीने होतं याचा आपल्याला अभ्यास करायचा आहे. So here we have to study the different types of asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction are of different types. Asexual reproduction are of different types. First, asexual reproduction as occur in the lower organism. Asexual reproduction as occur in the lower organism, that is fission. पहा, लक्षात ठेवा, फिशन ही प्रोसेस कशी होते आणि फिशनच का होतं लोअर ऑर्गॅनिझम मध्ये हे सुद्धा कॉमन सेन्स डेव्हलप झाला पाहिजे. आपल्याला कॉमन सेन्स डेव्हलप झाला पाहिजे. असर्शन जेव्हा आपण एक्सप्लेन करतो किंवा एखादा क्वेश्चन बद्दलचा कन्सेप्ट जर क्लिअर झालेला असेल, एखाद्या टॉपिक बद्दलचा कन्सेप्ट क्लिअर झालेला असेल तर मल्टिपल चॉईस क्वेश्चन सहज सोडवता येतील. Here what happened? Fission. Fission means it is one type of simple cell division occur in the lower organism. Fission is one type of simple cell division occur in the lower organism like bacteria, unicellular organism like amoeba, Paramecium, Euglena, all these unicellular organisms undergo simple type of division to form equal two daughter cells, equal sized two daughter cells from the pre-existing one. And that daughter cell undergo growth and development and form young one. Suppose in the bacterial cell, in the bacteria, fission may occur, simple type of cell division occur. Bacterial cell undergo division, simple division. Suppose this is one type of bacteria or bacterial cell. This bacterial cell undergo division by formation of simple constriction here. Here constriction is formed in the middle region of the bacterial cell. Here constriction formation takes place and finally two equal sized daughter cells may produced. Two equal sized daughter cells may produced. Such type of cell division occur in the lower organism like bacteria. जीवाणूमध्ये अशा प्रकारचे विभाजन होतं, याला फिशन असं म्हणतो. Here what happened? The bacteria undergo simple division and form two equal sized cells from the parent cell. Two equal sized daughter cells are produced, and these two equal sized daughter cells are produced from the parent cell. Such type of fission is known as binary fission. This is known as binary fission. Binary fission. Such type of simple division in which two daughter cells, two equal sized daughter cells produced from the parent cell known as binary fission. In the paramecium, slipper shaped organism is there. Unicellular, eukaryotic, simple slipper shaped unicellular eukaryotic organisms undergo division by formation of two equal sized daughter cells from the parent cell. Such type of constriction may leads to form two daughter cells. Equal sized two daughter cells may be produced. In the paramecium, suppose here nucleus undergo division, karyokinesis followed by cytokinesis. Here simple division occur. It may also called a mitosis. And two daughter cells may produced. In the euglena, in the amoeba, binary fission occur in the living being. Binary fission in the lower unicellular organism, binary fission occur. Now, in some of the cell, in some of the microorganism, fission may occur in which more than two equal sized cells are produced from parent cell. More than two equal sized daughter cells are produced from single parent cell. It means here what happened? Suppose this is the one cell. This undergo multiple division and form equal sized more than two equal sized cells may produced. Such type of more than two equal sized daughter cells are produced from parent cell by simple type of division, that is known as multiple fission. Multiple fission. लक्षात ठेवा, या ठिकाणी एका सेल पासून दोनच इक्वल साइज्ड सेल तयार झालेले आहेत. या ठिकाणी सुद्धा पॅरामीशियम मध्ये, युग्लिना मध्ये, अमिबा मध्ये इक्वल साइज्ड टू डॉटर सेल्स तयार होतील. याला म्हणतो आपण बायनरी फिशन. तर मल्टिपल फिशन म्हणजे एका सेल पासून अनेक दोन पेक्षा जास्त इक्वल साइज्ड डॉटर सेल्स तयार होतात. त्याला आपण म्हणतो मल्टिपल फिशन. मल्टिपल फिशन, equal sized many daughter cells may produced, more than two daughter cells may produced. Then such type of daughter cells are produced from the parent cell by simple division known as multiple fission. This is the one type of reproduction or sexual reproduction occur in the lower organisms, in the unicellular organisms. Such type of asexual reproduction is fission, binary fission and multiple fission. Now, in the lower organism, another asexual reproduction may found. That type of asexual reproduction is known as budding. The another type of asexual reproduction is known as budding. Budding means the protuberance or outgrowth may develop from the parent cell. Budding may occur in the unicellular organism as well as in the multicellular organism. For example, in the yeast, what happened? The single daughter cell, suppose this is the mother cell. This mother cell may produce a outgrowth from the mother cell. Suppose this is the outgrowth. This outgrowth is called bud. This is called bud. And this is the mother cell. This one is mother cell. This mother cell produced outgrowth, protuberance, and that protuberance is known as bud. gradually this bud may grow and detached from the parent cell, and this may produce young one or daughter cell. This is known as daughter cell. Daughter cell. This is known as daughter cell. Such type of outgrowth is developed from the parent cell, but which is not equal sized, smaller protuberance, and that protuberance detached from the parent cell and produced daughter cell. अशा प्रकारच्या एखाद्या आउटग्रोथ निर्माण होणाऱ्या प्रक्रियेला बडिंग असा शब्द वापरलेला आहे. आणि हा बड जेव्हा याच्यापासून डिटॅच होतो, बाहेर पडतो, त्यावेळेस काय होतं, त्याच्यापासून डॉटर सेल तयार होते, आणि ही डॉटर सेल काय होते, पुन्हा नंतर सेपरेट होते आणि त्याची ग्रोथ होते, त्याच्यानंतर ते वन मॅच्युअर होतो. बट इन मल्टीसेल्युलर ऑर्गॅनिझम, दिस इज द युनिसेल्युलर ऑर्गॅनिझम बडिंग. unicellular. In some of the organism, multicellular organism like Hydra, you know Hydra, not Hydrilla. Hydra वेगळा आणि Hydrilla वेगळा. Hydra is what type of animal? Multicellular animal. This Hydra animal body remain attached to the substratum, and this Hydra may produce outgrowth from the parent body. या हायड्रा पासून अशा प्रकारचे हे बड निर्माण होतो. दिस इज नोन एज बड. दिस बड may develop, and finally what happen, such type of bud may detached from the mother animal body. अशा प्रकारचे बड डिटॅच होतात, and this bud may settle at the bottom and may grow like hydra. This is the young one of the hydra. Such type of budding process may occur in the unicellular organism as well as in the multicellular organism. Budding. Now another type of asexual reproduction is there in the living being by formation of the spores. By formation of spores, asexual reproduction of spore formation. Spore formation takes place in the living organism. Spores. What is spore? Spore is a special type of cell produced from the parent organism. That special type of cell may separate from the mother organism or parent organism and fall on the wet soil on favorable condition that may grow into young one. Such special type of cell developed from the parent organism, and that may well protected by developing a thick wall on commencement of favorable environmental condition. Such type of spores, such type of special type of cell known as spores. Spores are specialized cell. Specialized cell. Specialized cell developed from the parent body of organism. The spores are of two types. दोन प्रकारचे स्पोर्स आपल्याला बघायला मिळतील. याला म्हणतात मिओस्पोर्स. मिओस्पोर्स and mitospores. Mitospores. Here what happened in the lower organisms like algae and in the bryophyta, what happened? Independently, gametophytic plant body and sporophytic plant body grow independently. Gametophyte and sporophyte grow independently. So here what happened? By meiosis, the spores may be produced. By meiosis, spores may be produced. By meiosis, spores may be produced. Spores may be produced. But here what happened? Young one produced by meiosis, but there is no fertilization. One of the process is absent in the formation of young one. Meiosis occur in the living body when spores produce a special type of cell produced, but where fertilization not occur. Such type of spores, special type of cell produced young one on germination. Such type of young one may produce from the special type of cell without fertilization. Young one may produce, and such type of reproduction may called asexual reproduction. It means here sexes are not involved, fertilization process are not involved, mixing of genetic material not involved. And mitospores, spores may be produced by mitosis. Mitosis. And these mitospores, spores as produced from the parent body may germinate and develop into young one. So such type of asexual reproduction may occur in the lower organisms. Fission, budding and spore formation. Here spores are of different types. Endospores, exospores. When the spores are produced inside the body, inside the special body known as endospores. Like rhizopora in some of the organism, in the fungi, in some of the fungi, the spores may be produced inside the special type of body of the cell, and such type of spores are produced inside the cell, inside the structure, that is known as endospores. Some of the microorganisms like yeast, the spores may be produced outside the body, outside the cell body. That type of spores known as exospores. In the yeast, exospores are produced. Like conidia. Conidia may develop in the yeast, that is known as exospores. And in some of the fungi, spores may be produced inside the body. Endospores and exospores. In the bryophyta, in the pteridophyta, spores may be produced inside the special type of structure by meiosis or without meiosis. And that type of special type of cell as developed inside the body, that is known as endospores. In the algae, the hypnospore or hermospores may be formed. Hypnospore is one type of special type of cell which is well protected by thick cell wall. Hypnospore is one type of special type of cell which produce thick cover around itself. That is known as hypnospores. Hermospores, multicellular structure may well protected by developing a cover. That multicellular structure may known as spores, that is known as hermospores in algae. Hermospore, hypnospore, and these spores may be motile and non-motile. The motile spores and non-motile spores. Non-motile and motile spores. Motile spores are generally called zoospores. Zoospores. For example, in the Chlamydomonas. Suppose this is the Chlamydomonas plant body, unicellular plant body, Chlamydomonas. From the Chlamydomonas plant body, such type of flagellated spores may develop. Such type of अशा प्रकारचे हे flagellated spores may develop. Such type of flagellated spores may develop, which are known as zoospores, and non-motile spores without flagella may produce. And these spores, when fall on the soil or under favorable condition, that may develop the young one. Such type of spores may produced in the living body by meiosis, known as meiospores, and the spores may produced by mitosis, known as mitospores. Mitospores and meiospores is known as meiospores and mitospores. Mitospores and meiospores produced. Now there is one type of special asexual reproduction, that is known as fragmentation. Here, fragmentation. Formation of fragments, and each and every fragment may develop into young one. Fragments means pieces of the multicellular pieces of the parent body. Multicellular pieces of the parent body known as fragments. Multicellular pieces of the fragments. Suppose this is the algal filament. This algal filament undergo breaking into number of pieces, multicellular pieces, and each and every piece may develop into young one. Such type of fragments develop into young one. Young ones may develop from the each and every fragmentation process occur in the algae by following two processes: accidental fragment formation and disc like structure as developed in the filament between the cell of filament of the algae, then the piece may form, or pieces of the smaller pieces of the filament of algae may produced due to the development of special type of disc between the cell. So accidental fragment formation may occur or by formation of disc between the cell, algal cell, the fragment may develop. In the fungi, fragment formation takes place in the hyphae of the fungal body, that each and every fragment undergo growth and development and form young one. Such type of asexual reproduction process occur in the lower organisms. In some of the multicellular organisms like lizard, mostly fragmentation is not occur in the animal, well-developed higher animal. But in some of the animal like lizard, the tissue undergo regeneration until detached from the parent lizard, that undergo regeneration and produce the young one. Mostly fragmentation process occur in the algae and fungi. And in bryophyta, gamma body formation takes place. That gamma body help in the formation of young one. In the bryophytic leaf-like structure, from which cup-shaped multicellular body may develop, detached from the parent body, and that may develop into younger bryophytic plant body. Gamma body, asexual gamma body developed, and such type of asexual reproduction occur in the lower organism, lower plant and in the lower animal. युनिसेल्युलर ऑर्गॅनिझम अँड मल्टीसेल्युलर ऑर्गॅनिझम मध्ये अशा प्रकारचे असेक्शुअल रिप्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस आपल्याला पाहायला मिळतं. या ठिकाणी हे जे क्लासिफिकेशन आहे असेक्शुअल रिप्रोडक्शनचं, प्रत्येकाला लक्षात आलं पाहिजे. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी फिशर म्हणजे काय आहे, बडिंग म्हणजे काय आहे, स्पोर्स म्हणजे काय आहे, आणि हे स्पोर्स दोन प्रकारचे कसे निर्माण होतात, फ्रॅगमेंटेशन प्रोसेस कशी होते लोअर ऑर्गॅनिझम मध्ये, आणि एम्ब्रियोन्स कसे तयार होतात, आपल्याला इन डिटेल पाहायचं आहे. व्हेजिटेटिव्ह रिप्रोडक्शन इज वन टाइप ऑफ असेक्शुअल रिप्रोडक्शन. In detail, we have to study the vegetative reproduction. Vegetative reproduction. Vegetative reproduction. We have to study in detail in next class. Now, vegetative reproduction means formation of young one from any vegetative part of the plant body. That is known as vegetative reproduction. And vegetative reproduction occur under favorable environmental condition. Vegetative part is known as propagule. We have to study in detail what type of vegetative reproduction occur in the higher plants. Vegetative reproduction. कुठल्याही शाखीय भागापासून एक यंगवन कसा तयार होतो ते आपण इन डिटेल अँजिओस्पर्ममध्ये व्हेजिटेटिव्ह रिप्रोडक्शन कसं होतं त्याचा वेगळा सेपरेट पिरियड घ्यायचा आहे, व्हेजिटेटिव्ह रिप्रोडक्शन. सो दीज आर द डिफरंट टाइप्स ऑफ असेक्शुअल रिप्रोडक्शन ऑकर इन द ऑर्गॅनिझम्स. या ठिकाणी पूर्ण आपण बघितलेलं आहे. फिशन म्हणजे तुकडे होणे, पण कसे तुकडे होणे, हे इक्वल साइज्ड तुकडे होणे, पॅरेंट बॉडीपासून पॅरेंट सेलपासून इक्वल साइज्ड तुकडे होणे, त्याला म्हणतो आपण फिशन. हे एक प्रकारचं सिंपल सेल डिव्हिजन आहे. जसे की पॅरामेशियम युग्लिनामध्ये सिंपल डिव्हिजन होतं आणि इक्वल साइज्ड सेल तयार होतात, आणि त्याला म्हणतो आपण. दोनच सेल तयार होत असेल तर त्याला बायनरी फिशन म्हणतो. अनेक सेल तयार होत असतील इक्वल साईज तर त्याला मल्टिपल फिशन असं म्हणतो. बडिंग म्हणजे एक प्रकारचा आउटग्रोथ, असा उंचवटा निर्माण होतो टेंगुळ आल्यासारखं. टेंगुळ येतं ना डोक्यामध्ये दिसत, डोक्यामध्ये टेंगुळ येतं तसं. टेंगुळ आल्यासारखं येतं आणि तो टेंगुळ दुसरा निघून जातो, बाजूला पडतो. तो टेंगुळ बाजूला पडतो आणि त्याच्यापासून एंगवन तयार होतं, नवीन ऑर्गॅनिझम तयार होतो, एंगवन तयार होतो, पिलू तयार होतं त्याच्यापासून. जसे की या ठिकाणी हायड्रामध्ये बघतो आपण, हे टेंगुळ आल्यासारखं येतं बघा. या ठिकाणी टेंगुळ कसं येतं, टेंगुळ हे टेंगुळ बाहेर पडतं, तुटतं टेंगुळ आणि येतं. त्याला बड म्हणतो आपण त्याला. इथे हे याच्यामध्ये कसं होतं, ईस्ट सेलमध्ये अशा प्रकारचं टेंगुळ येतं आणि त्याच्यापासून निघून जातं. हे युनिसेल्युलर फंजाईमध्ये, हे मल्टीसेल्युलर ऑर्गॅनिझममध्ये, हायड्रा एनिमलमध्ये अशा प्रकारचं बड तयार होतं आणि याच्यापासून असे हे तयार होतं, याच्यापासून हे डिटॅच होतं आणि पुन्हा पाण्यामध्ये जे कुठंतरी अटॅच होतं आणि त्याची डेव्हलपमेंट व्हायला लागते. ते टेंगुळ निर्माण होऊन सजीव तयार होण्याच्या प्रक्रियेला बडिंग असं म्हणतो आपण. त्याच्यानंतर स्पोर्स म्हणजे एक विशिष्ट प्रकारचे सेल तयार होतात मल्टीसेल्युलर बॉडीपासून. ते स्पोर्स दोन प्रकारच्या पद्धतीने होतात, मायटोस्पोर्स आणि न्यूरोस्पोर्स. आता मी डेफिनेशन मध्ये सांगितलेलं आहे, विदाऊट मियोसिस, विदाऊट फर्टिलायझेशन, दोन शब्द वापरलेले आहे. म्हणून लक्षात ठेवायचं की त्या ठिकाणी मियोसिस झालं तर तिथं फर्टिलायझेशन होत नाही, फर्टिलायझेशन नाही आहे. विदाऊट फर्टिलायझेशन एंगवन बी प्रोड्युस्ड. We have to study in detail how the asexual reproduction, vegetative reproduction of the in the higher organisms. One by one we have to study. पुन्हा नेक्स्ट क्लासमध्ये आपल्याला बघायचंच आहे. याचा नेक्स्ट पार्टमध्ये व्हेजिटेटिव्ह रिप्रोडक्शन आपल्याला शिकायचं आहे. हा व्हिडिओ आवडलेला असेल तर आपण याला लाईक करा आणि सबस्क्राईब करा. थँक्यू.